Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Windows XP VM slash virtual machine in the fastest way. So let's get right into it. We are on the desktop, and we are going to go into Google Chrome, and in here, um, I'm going to show you the fastest way of getting Windows XP. So firstly, you go to this link. I'll put it in the description, and this will download Windows XP mode. You will need a program like 7-zip. Then you right click, and then show more options, and then here is 7-zip, and then open archive, and here go 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 in the sources, and then double click this file, which will open it. And now we just extract this into a folder, but now we just now we have the files here, so we just go in here and then put a dot like that, and now it is recognizable. We'll create a new virtual machine, and we'll do custom. So press next. I will install the operating system later. So you press next, and then you need to have this selected. Then press next, and then I'm just going to change this to where we store the VHD. So press next. Let's give this 2 gigs. Press next. And then once it gets to here, go to use an existing disk, and then you go to desktop, and then Windows XP, and it's weird because VMware does not show virtual hard drives by default. So you have to do all files, and then go over here, and then once that's done, we press start. So yeah, it is now gonna load up Windows XP. So at first you won't be able to use your mouse, because this what wasn't meant for Windows 7, but like now we're using a different kind of way of doing it. So now let's name this PC like that. Press next. And now it's going to install Windows. And yeah, and also one thing to do is to go up here, and then disable the network adapter because like this is an old OS. Now we need to do Windows or, and then do app wiz.cpl like that, and now we go down and then tab all the ways to remove. So basically we are removing the kind of thing to that this XP is using, and we're just going to remove that. So once that's removed, we should be able to use our mouse once it restarts. And now we just press enter, and here we go. Now our mouse works. So now I'm going to show you a trick where like you can insert the VMware tools. So first you want to do Control Alt, and then Alt, then M, and then T, and that will insert it. And then Control G, which will put your mouse back in. Let's restart. So now we're on the desktop, and by default you might not hear the startup sound because if you go over here, so to enable that, you go to control panel, and then sounds, and then here, let's go here, and then toggle this to Windows default, and then press no, apply, and OK. So now when you like log off, that happens. And yeah, that's kind of cool. There's a really good website to which is good for maintaining Windows XP. So first you will connect your network adapter, and then you go into Internet Explorer, and I'm just gonna go into Start for a second and do Windows B, which I'll have this over here. So then I can just I'll have this website in the video description, but here you can here you can find files to that will help your system. So here you can go to, for example, Windows XP, and you can download things like IE8, which is used to download Internet Explorer 8, which is a lot newer than this one. This one is 6.0. So if you just click this, you can download it, and yeah, that's cool. So then you can also download this, which will download a browser too, which is more modern than Internet Explorer. So if you just run this, and this is safe, press enter. Now you can pick from some browsers. I'm I'm going to do new moon, so let's do that. And then press 1, which is the x86 version, which is the version of XP using. So now it will start downloading that package. Anyway, pretty cool. Now we run this. This is Internet Explorer, and now we will just install this. This will also install updates, which is nice. And now we have new moon. So just do no here. And this is our new browser. So now let's restart so that we can get Internet Explorer to work. So, and now we have this browser, and yeah, and this still is not a good browser. So like, you have new moon for this, but this browser can still do things. Like for example, if I just grab that link again, just put this in here. This can view it because this is meant for things like this. So you don't need a modern browser for this website. Anyway, now we're going to try and get Windows Update to work. So first, you go down to WSOS stuff, and oh, apparently we have an update. Even though this, oh yeah, don't use this. Like, you might think this will immediately work, but actually you need to get these kind of right, because if you don't, then it could install updates that this system does not need. So that's why we need these, and it will also get the newer versions. So yeah. So first you need Dev Windows Update Agent 3.0. So this is just downloading. Press run, and then you just install this as usual. It should not take too long. And that's done. Click finish, and now we can download this we'll download this program, which will help with getting Windows updates. So yeah, and then you can use this to make Windows Update work. But the only problem I have with this is that you don't have any control with this. So there is a better thing here, which I have in my downloads, and it's called SOS Proxy. If I just put this in, first we're going to have to extract this. And now, once we do that, so firstly, you can also get this to work by reading through this, but like, we have already done this, so we don't need this. And yeah, like the only thing we need here is the roots update, which will help to find the updates. And now we do add SOS, WSOS, and this will like stop automatic updates, so it will only work when you run this and this script. Oh yeah, we need to install another program or a runtime called Microsoft Visual Studio C, and then we copy this in. This is meant to download something, so we just go in here, I guess. Press yes to make it a default, and this will download this file, which is very fast to download. And now we just run, agree to license terms, and then close. So now let's run this and then unblock, and now just close all of these windows because we don't need these anymore. Like no, we don't need IE anymore, and now we just need these two programs. So when you're updating, always have this open. And oh wait, first we have to restart actually, because yeah, it's because it's done some registry tweaks. So once that reboots, it should work. And here we go. So now it is now fetching the updates, which is pretty cool. How is a 20-year-old OS updating? Because like you I don't think you can update Windows 98 anymore. So it is recommended to check selected updates for Windows Update. So like this will like help, like it will select updates to that Windows needs. So like it doesn't select ones to that is not necessary. Let's just click install, and this will take a while. So yeah, that then wraps up this video. So this is how. Wait, actually, there is one last thing. This is now Windows XP. Nice. this is cool because like this is like out of like a .exe. Like this was meant to only work on Windows XP. I mean Windows 7, and it somehow works here, which is pretty bizarre. But anyway, once you've gotten a few updates, you'll get this message. So since 2014, it has been supported for 12 years. Windows XP was one of the best operating systems of all time, and it should be remembered as an OS to that kind of that kind of improved how Microsoft made them products, and I'm killing off MS-DOS, and yeah, there is still a few places where Windows XP is still being used. I am hope you enjoy this kind of tutorial slash time travel kind of thing. Then yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.